In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your map here in Delta Force Mobile. Before we do dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're trying to change the map here in Delta Force Mobile, this guide's for you. I'm going to show you how you can do it step by step. First things first, go ahead and get loaded into Delta Force Mobile, and in the bottom right corner, just above the ready button, you're going to have this option that says attack and defend. Go ahead and select that attack and defend option, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. From here, you'll see the map option all the way down in the bottom right-ish corner, not directly in the bottom right, but close enough. It says select map. Go ahead and select the map here, and it's going to pull up this page here where you can browse and choose whatever map you want to play on. For example, if I don't want to play on Cracked, I can just untick it just like so, and I can add Threshold on there instead. Obviously, I don't have Threshold installed yet, so I'm not going to select that, and instead I'm going to keep these current options. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.